Good morning, students. Today we will learn the format of letters to the editor. Today we will do the letters to the editor, and I will teach you the format how we will write a letter to the editor. And before starting, I just want to give you some initials about the letter, that the letter to editor of a newspaper or a magazine, an important part of the paper. Such letters voice the opinion of the people and provided them a platform to express their agreement, disagreement or reaction to the news and views contained in newspaper. These letters can also raise issues of social, political and economic interest and generally center around public reactions. They provide a forum to the readers to express their strong feelings and reaction to local, national and international issues. Students, we have some silent features of the letter, that is the format, such as the receiver address, the sender address, the date, subject and many more things. So I am just doing here one for you. Question is, write a letter to the editor, the Hindustan Times, about water shortage in your colony. This is the letter about the water shortage in your colony. You are Aryan Verma from ABC colony. You are Aryan Verma from ABC colony. So I am starting here. First of all, we will give the sender address right here. Flat 7, ABC colony, Saharanpur. I am giving the name here, the city of Saharanpur, and you can change the name according to your question. And just after that we will mark the date. After leaving a line, you will mention the sender address. Editor, Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Then your subject will be mentioned here. Subject, problem of shortage of water. Then the salutations, sir. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of concerned authority about the problem of so and so. So just look at here, students. First of all, we will mention the address of sender, that is the flat 7 ABC colony, Saharanpur. This address you will mention according to the question. Then the date, then the receiver address, the editor, the Hindustan Times, and subject, problem of shortage of water in your locality. Then salutations and main body of the letter. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of concerned authority about the problem of so and so. So this letter body, you will make the lines, it will be same in all letters, just your content will be different according to the question, as I am telling to you the further part of the letter here. through the column of your steam newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities about the problem of water scarcity or the shortage of water in our locality. In our colony, water is supplied for only 10 minutes in morning, and for the same time in evening. We have to depend on this water and those from tankers for the rest of the day. The taps remain dry. Even the quality of water supply is very unhygienic. Recently, there have been stray cases of waterborne disease such as the typhoid, jaundice, etc. It means to say you must give the reasons what problem you are facing out there, and please remember your main body of letter, sometime it may be with 2 and 3 paragraph according to your conception, and after completing it, when your main body of the letter will be completed, then you will mention here, after completing your main body here, you will mention the rest part of the letter, that is like this: thanking you, the complimentary remark, thanking you, your name, the Aryan Sharma, Aryan, your name, the Aryan Verma, and your designation also. After completing the main body of the letter, you will make remark the complimentary closures to your letter, such as we have the name of Mr. Aryan Verma. You will mention the name right here after completing your letter, and I am telling you that rest part of the letter, that is the main content of the body of the letter, it's sometime 2 and 3 paragraph, such as I am reading for you, that there have been stray cases of waterborne disease such as typhoid and jaundice. It is feared that they may break out in the epidemic form if the quality of water supply is not improved. And for more, purchasing water daily is burning holes in our pocket. It means people of the colony, they are not able to purchase water regularly. It's really expensive for them. So we hope that the concerned authorities will take immediate steps to ensure adequate supply of good quality of water. It is suggested that the Municipal Water Corporation provide us with the connection from the main water. It means now, what do you want, what suggestions you have, and what do you want, how the problem will be resolved, it must be mentioned including your letter also, so that here you can mention so many problem of the letter, you also write down same here. I am again repeating here, students. First of all, the sender address, the date, the receiver address, the subject, salutations, main body of the letter must be 2 or 3 paragraphs according to your problem, according to your material, and after the complimentary closures, such as we have the Mr. Aryan Verma who is writing this letter, then you will mention the name right here, thanking you Mr. Aryan Verma, the secretary or the common residential of that society. So you please make practice of these kind of letters, and tomorrow we will do one more letter also. Goodbye, students.